When you purchase the Britax Max-Safe Pro, in the box you will receive the Max-Safe Pro car seat itself, the baby insert, the spacer block, a set of tethers and a side impact block. Okay, when you take the Max-Safe Pro out the box, you're going to have the seat and this spacer block here too. And the spacer block really is going to give you the option to give additional space between the car's own seat and the car seat. So right now the seat is sitting in a position you could install it, and this spacer block can go in between here into this gap. By manoeuvring the seat back, you'll see there's a couple of grooves there, and those will align with the plastic moulding at the front of the seat. So we're just going to position that piece there against the seat and then manoeuvre now back towards the car seat with the extended legroom. I think that most people that are buying this seat are going to be buying for a younger child initially. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to remove this block and set it over to the side and install with the less legroom option. Best way I've found to go ahead and install this seat is to loosen off the harness when it comes out the box and undo the buckle. Move that over to the side and then remove this baby insert. Once that's out of the way, you can open up this fabric section. The two pieces will remove and reveal this grey plastic clamp. Now, the plastic clamp is guarded a little bit by this plastic section here, which is attached to the headrest. So we'll just manoeuvre the headrest up the way here from the handle at the back to move this plastic out of the way and make this handle on the clamp available. Give that a pull and it will open up. It might fall back initially, but that's okay for now. So the seat belt is going to come out here, and I'm going to just loosen off plenty belt and bring that together and hold on to the buckle. Now you'll see, if I bring my hand through, there's an opening at the side. There's one exactly the same here on this side too. And I'm just going to use those openings to pass the seat belt through. I will lift that grey section up and pass the buckle through on the side closest to you. Now I'm coming through essentially on the inside of the car towards the buckle, and we will just get the slack through and push the buckle in like so. So I've now got this nice and tight with no slack. Pass the excess belt back into the seat belt retraction itself and take this grey clamp, pushing it down. You'll hear a firm click, and that is you installed with the seat belt. So we're just going to tidy all this up. Bring the belt back out so that it's not behind the fabric. And you will just bring this back down to the appropriate height for your little one. So as you've seen, at the front of the Max-Safe Pro, it's installed with the car's seat belt. At the back of the seat, it connects to the car via tether straps that come down from the seat and also up from an anchor point down below. So these are the straps that are supplied with the seat. You get two of these, and through the strap you're going to see a series of openings that are stitched down at either end. So what the purpose of these straps is you're going to put them round a fixing point, and typically people will use a runner, and I've put this in place to replicate a runner at the front of the car. Now typically where I'm kneeling right now, you would have the passenger seat or the driver's seat, and it would slide back and forth on this runner to increase or reduce legroom. So you want to just pass this under the runner, back through one of these openings that I just mentioned, and pull it so that it becomes tight like that, and then up towards the seat itself. You're going to come down from the seat by pushing. There's a button here that allows the strap to come down from the seat, clip onto the loop, and you'll hear this clicking away as it grabs the slack. And that's how you would connect the tether strap to the car seat. Okay, so I've taken the tether strap off this runner because we'll be able to get a firmer install, and for the purposes of this demonstration I've attached around the base of this demo rig. What you're going to do, as I mentioned a moment ago, is push this button, bring the strap down, attach to the loop, grab the slack, and exactly the same on the other side, meaning that you are anchored down in all four corners. We'll just give a little bit of extra pull, let that grab that last little bit of slack, and the last thing you need to do is just bring down the support leg as a counter force, and once that's firmly clicked, you are fully fitted. As I just mentioned, the tethers are a vital part of the installation of the Max-Safe Pro. We do see people asking a lot of questions about tethers, so we've put together and put a link on this page to our tether guide.